Rule number one is start with empathy. And start with empathy, by the way, means you have to talk to humans, right? Also, the prototyping, well, we'd say build to think. You call it construction instead of instruction or something.
In fact, our methodology, which is iterative, like stuff, redefines the problem every time we come around. You know, every time we come.
Right, but then iterating and then storytelling. That would be the key elements.
Make, if you can paint a picture of the future with real possible solutions, then maybe you can put it in the minds of people who can actually change it. So, like both the Stanford D.school and the product design program and the Media Lab have this kind of positive bias. This interaction with these other people from different departments. Because before that, multidisciplinary stuff looked like people kind of serially coming together and trying to do things. Have a uniform methodology of how you go about and understand people and decide what your point of view is and innovate routinely, come up with new ideas all the time. Design thinking as a way to kind of be the glue that held them together.
A little part of what happened is we stretched the definition. We used to talk about design. Now for most of our clients, it's not design, it's design thinking, right? It's using the thought pattern of a designer to create innovations of all kinds.
But the big idea really is that people, diversity plus design thinking results in these kind of breakthrough ideas.
That the stuff we learned about creative confidence, about design thinking and different approaches to problem solving is not instead of the great analytical minds that I know we have in the room. And Ankit says, yeah, we were in there pretty much 10 hours a day. He says, we're not allowed back there anymore, right?
But we're talking about having this ability to come up with new ideas. That's what we mean by being creative. So we thought we'd have to teach them things, and we don't. With the students, we only have to remove the barriers from that kind of blocks, that kind of fear of being judged by other people. And as we take that down, this wild creativity emerges. So the world talks a lot about problem solving, and we really do need finding and then do problem solving. So we never know when we go in to look at something, we never know whether it's going to be a robot or it's going to be a process or a new service or an experience or build a new environment, right? So we're to do. So the point of this creativity that happens, this confidence that happens to these students is it changes, and they report it over and over again. It doesn't just change the way they look at school or their vocation. It changes lots of things in their lives. They have more kind of stick-to-itiveness. They make better decisions. They come up with different and better ideas.